Hi, welcome to Maths Nibuna, your maths buddy.
Hi viewers, today we will solve this question. Okay, in this question we have two squares. Okay, first square is CDEF. I name it as a CDEF and blue color square. Second square is GEHI. Okay, the first square the length is A, the second square's length is B. So now we have to prove that the area of the triangle A divided by the area of the triangle B, means the ratio of A to B, is equal to the ratio of A, the length of A and length of B cube. Okay. So this question, when we look at this question, the big triangle, the blue triangle and orange triangle, they intersect at this point. This point is not given. If this point is lie on FE, then I think it will be a bit easy to solve this question. But now the intersection point is inside the small square, B square. So to solve this question, first what I do, I draw a line from this intersection point to this edge. Okay, this EH. Okay, so I make it okay, little darker, and then let's say I give purple color. So when we draw a line, let's say I name it this point, we don't have name, so we just name it as M. And then let's say we name it this point as a N. Okay, so once done this one, what we do, we let's say we don't know the length of the MN, so we just assume, do assumption. So I say I assume MN. Okay, I assume MN equal to H. Okay, let's say MN equals to H. And also I assume this small length EN, let's say assume EN as, okay, let's say we give X. Okay, so MN equal to H, so I just assume this as a H. Okay, and this is a X, the small one, this is a X. Okay, now, so now I consider a new triangle from D to this point. So we don't have this point. Let's say I say this is P, and then from here to the bottom of here, let's say I assume this as this name. You can give any name. So let's say I say this is a Q. Okay, now I do a triangle from D to P, P to Q, and then Q to D. Let's say I draw a triangle. Okay, from here to here, from here to here, and then from here to here. Okay, this is a new triangle. Okay, so this triangle, let's say put red color. uh, okay, so this is our new triangle. Okay, this is our new triangle. So now look at this triangle. We have DPQ, and then when you look at the tangent of D, this tangent, this angle, so we can make a conclusion that PQ over DQ is equal to MN over DN. Let's say right here. So from there I can say that because of tangent, so I can say PQ, okay, over DQ equal to Mn over Dn. Okay, this is the equation we can make using the tangent D here. Tangent is always opposite over adjacent. So now what is PQ, DQ, MN and DN? So PQ, we know this length is equal to X, correct? PQ is X, B, okay, PQ is B. DQ is, that means the from year to year, okay, from there to there. So let's say we put arrow, say this is an arrow from here to, yeah, okay. So dq is equal to, if you see properly, dq is actually equal to, this is a, this is b over 2. So you can say bq equal to a plus b over 2. Okay, so I say bq equal to a plus b over 2. Okay, and then we want to find mn. We already given the name as h. Okay, and then we want to find what is dn. Dn is this from here to this point, from here to this point. So this point is actually okay, this point, okay, from here to here, this point. Okay, so this is x, this is a, so it should be a plus x. Okay, so this is equal to a plus x. So this is the first equation we can make from this triangle. And finally, what we can say when we solve this one, we can say that my h, okay, so I can say that my h, okay, my h equal to, so I bring this one here, b a plus x, okay, this one I times 2, so I times 2 here, and then this one become 2a plus b. Okay, I times 2 here, I times 2 here, this one became 2b times with a plus x. I times 2 here become 2a plus b. Okay, now we consider the second triangle. This triangle we remove first. Okay, this one, okay, then we draw a new triangle from this point to this point, and then from here to the bottom line, from here to here. Okay, so this is our second triangle. So let's say the triangle, okay, this is a triangle. This one don't have any this one, so I name it as PQR, and then this point I name it as RS. Okay, okay, so now we look at this one. Now we have to consider the tangent H here, this angle. So as usual, RS over SH equal to MN over NH. Okay, so I write the other side. Okay, so what we know that RS, okay, RS over SH equal to H. I just put straight H. Okay, H over NH. Okay. So now see, we find what is RS. We know RS equal to A. RS equal to A. SH. What is SH? SH is actually from here, okay, to here. This is our SH. Okay, so SH actually equal to, from here is A over 2, from here is B. So it's actually A over 2 plus B. Okay, and then we have to know NH. NH is from here to here. That means from this point to this point. Okay, so that means our SH equal, NH equal to, the EH is B, So b minus x. Okay, we say b minus x. Okay, so sh equal to sh equal to a over 2 plus b, and then nh equal to b minus x. Okay, so this is the second equation. From here we can find our h. Okay, from here I can say that my h equal to, okay, h equal to 2a, the same thing, almost same, 2a. So this a I times b minus x. Okay, bottom here I times 2. So this one become a plus 2b. Okay, a times b minus x, I times 2 here, 2a. Here become a plus 2b. So now I have these two equations. Okay, so this one equation, okay, and then okay, and then another equation is here. So now we got two equations, which is tells us h equal to 2b a plus x over 2a plus b, and another equation number 2 is h equal to 2ab minus x plus a plus 2b. Now what we should say, so since these both are h, we can say equation 1 equal to equation 2, correct? So what I say, this h I replace with the 2b, okay, correct, 2b a plus x over 2a plus b. Okay, that means this is equal to, that means we have two equations just now. Okay, so from that two equation, which is equation 1 and equation 2, I can say both are same. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to solve this equation. Just solve this equation to find what is x. Okay, multiply 2b with a, this and this, and then you cross multiply, and after that finally you can find the value for x in term of a and b. Okay, so I'm not going to solve this one, so I hope you can solve it, and we can get a final answer, which is x equal to, okay, so I have done here, so we can get that x equal to ab, you try yourself, a over b, a minus b over 2 a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, you get this. So this is the value of x. Okay, if this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, then we can solve, but this one cannot, because this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, we will leave it like that. Okay, so once we find our x, now our job is to find our h in term of a and b. Okay, this is x in term of a and b. Maybe I can, okay, okay, we make this one, okay, pillar. Okay, so let's say I assume this has equation 3, just I name it as equation 3. Okay, now I have to solve x. Okay, so to find x, you can check back your two value of h. Okay, to find, sorry, I have to find h. So I have to substitute the x, okay, the function of x into this or this, either one. Okay, we can use either one. So let's say I want to use anything. Let's say the second one. Okay, so what I do, okay, what I do, I substitute. Okay, put here. I substitute 2 in in 3. I substitute equation 3 Okay, equation 3 in equation 2. Okay, let's say 2. We can do anything, it's up to us. Okay, I substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So when you do that, what you get? Okay, this one, take equation 3. So this x become, okay, so x a b, okay, a minus b over 2 a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so this is what I get. Okay, that means 2a b minus x, the whole thing of x, over a plus 2b. That means I sub number 3, equation 3 into equation 2. Okay, so this one also you have to solve. Okay, this one, so you have to solve. Okay, you slowly solve this one. Okay, to get your answer. So I already done, so you do this one. So when you this one, you can get h value. Okay, your h will be because I already done. Okay, h will be a plus sorry, ab times a plus b over a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, sorry, what happened here? Wait, it's here. Plus b square plus ab, not here. Sorry. Okay, you'll get this finally. The final answer for your h. Okay, h in term of a and b. Okay, this is, let's say I name it as equation number 4. Okay, so now we got our x in term of a and b, and we got our h in term of a and b. Okay, now next step. Okay, we already got our x and h. Next step is we have to consider our third triangle. This one I remove first. Okay, our third triangle is I connect D to R, R to H, and H to D. Okay, this is my third triangle. Okay, let's say give green color. Okay, make it little, okay, little bigger. This one. Okay, now this is my third triangle. Okay, when I see here in this triangle, I have two triangle. One is triangle A, another one is triangle DMH. So what I do, the DMH I don't have values. Okay, so the DMH, let's say I assume as triangle C. Okay, okay, say this is triangle C. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is B. Okay, from now I can say that triangle, the big triangle DRH. Okay, so I can say that what I can say is DRH. Okay, DRH is actually equal to C. Okay, big triangle C plus A. Correct? The DRH equal to C plus H. So now what is DRH? Okay, what is DRH is now? DRH is 1 over 2 of height is RS, RS is A, and then the base is DH. DH is A plus B, correct? This is A plus B here. So delete A plus B. Okay, the height of DRH. Okay, so I can say 1 over 2, okay, times the height times the base A plus B, so A plus B equal to the A plus C. Okay, this is from this triangle. Okay, so now what is C and what is A we don't know. Okay, what is C? C is equal to, actually C is equal to 1 over 2, height is h times base is A plus B. Okay, so sorry, 1 over 2 later, so 1 over 2 height plus A plus B is your base. Okay, so from here I can say that my A is actually equal to, okay, my A equal to, okay, I can say half of this one minus C, correct? Then when when I reduce it, I can say this is equal to actually A minus H, okay, A plus B. Okay, this is my A. Okay, the second is, now what I do, I draw another triangle. Okay, another triangle which connects D, P, H and this triangle. Okay, this is the next triangle. Okay, okay, this is the next triangle which can make it darker. Now I look at this one. This is triangle DPH, correct? DPH equal to, actually equal to C plus B. Okay, this DPH equal to C plus B. So C plus B, so we know that DPH equal to 1 over 2. Now the height is B, correct? This is just B, they change this one, and then this one is B plus C. Okay, so you do the same method when you do this one, like something like A, you'll get finally B equal to, get a value for B equal to 1 over 2, okay, 1 over 2, B minus H, okay, B minus H times V, A plus B, okay, A plus B. So here to this one the same like what we have done earlier. Okay, just do little work to find what is B. So B equal to, when C comes there, it become B minus is A plus B. So now, okay, I name it first. I forgot to name it. Let's say this is equation. We already got until equation 3. Okay, let's say this is equation. I name it as a 5. And this is equation 6. Okay, I 5 and 6. Okay, now what we can do, you divide 5 and 6. So equation 5 divide by equation 6. Okay, so when we divide 5 and 6, we can get A over B, okay, A over B equal to, so A divided by B, half and half we can cancel it, A plus B we cancel it, so we only have A minus H over B minus H. Okay, so we name it as equation 7. Okay, equation 7. Now look at equation 7. We have A over B equal to A minus H, B minus H. What is the value of H? We already found earlier. Our H is actually equal to, this is our H from equation 4. So we draw equation 4 here. Okay, okay, this is equation 5 and equation 4 is here, this one. Okay, okay, equation 4, this is equation 5. Okay, okay, put down a bit. Now what I can say, you take this h and you substitute here, so I can say that substitute equation 4 into equation 5. 5 is it? I think 5 or 7 just now, sorry. Oh, this one equation 7, not 5. Sorry. This is equation 7. Okay. So this is a little complicated work. So what you do, you take the h value. Maybe what you can find first, you find what is a over h, a minus h first. So I can say a minus h equal to, okay, a minus ab a plus b over a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so I have done this one. So when you solve this one, you try to solve it. When you solve this one, you get a equal to a minus h. Okay, a minus h, you can say you'll get, okay, I already done this one. You get 1 over 2, if I'm not mistaken, 1 over 2, a cube, a plus b over, okay, one, okay, over that one, a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, this is your get. Okay, okay, the same thing. Okay, you find b minus h. When you find b minus h, okay, when you find your b minus h, I make a line here. Okay, b minus h, just you put b here. Okay, so when you solve this one, you'll get b minus h equal to something 1 over 2. B minus h is b cube a plus b over a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so b minus is this one. So finally, now what we do, we have to find a over b. Okay, so we know that a over b equal to, okay, finally we can say that a over b equal to, okay, this one and this one, half and half is same. A plus b is a plus b, a square plus b square ab also same. So with this one, everything we can cancel it and we get a cube, okay, over b cube. So it is proven, that is a over b equal to a cube equal over b cube. Okay viewers, I think that's all for today. It's a long lesson today, so hopefully you'll enjoy the lesson. If anything, any mistakes I have done, you can put in comment box, and also if anybody got a more easiest solution, sure, you can share to me. Thanks to all. Thank you. Bye bye.